Hello guys, in today's tutorial we will see how you can calculate the total and percentage in Excel sheet. Suppose you are filling the subject information and suppose we are having the subject, suppose you have 4 subject, 5 subject, 10, it doesn't matter. Once you know the formula of total and percentage, number of subject and their total mark and what mark they got exactly, this thing doesn't matter. Suppose here I have already added the information and I am assuming suppose we have 4 subject and these are the marks and these are the name. So first thing is you have to calculate total so that you can easily calculate the percentage. So for calculating total, either you can use sum function. Sum is the easiest way to calculate the total, and then you have to specify the range. You move your mouse cursor like that, close bracket, press enter. So what happens? This is the total. The second way of doing total is you can insert the formula, like here you can add first address, then plus symbol, second again you plus, then here again plus, and this address. So here I have added 4 address. Okay, first one represents science, math, then computer, then English. Then here simply you press enter key, same answer is coming. Then here you drop down downside, then the total is coming from the other record also. Now it's a time to calculate the important thing, percent. So for that you have to use formula. So here you must be aware about the math. So in mathematics you should know how to calculate the percentage so that you can easily create the formula. And if your math is very weak, then the things will be difficult for you. So you must be little bit aware about the math. So here what happened, percentage means total divided by, total means whatever the mark you got, it is divided by total actual mark. So what happened here, total is 143. So here I am clicking, so this address is inserted here and it is divided by total mark. Okay, you have to represent the mark whichever you got, means the total means this is the summation of all subject mark, and then it is divided by total mark. Total mark means suppose in each subject paper is 100 mark, then here total will become 400. Suppose each subject is having, suppose here we have 100 mark, then here you have suppose total 50 mark. So in this way the simplest thing is you have to do the addition of each one. Okay, and after that whatever the total mark is there, that you have to write. So here the simple thing is I am assuming each subject is having total 100 mark. Okay, so out of 100 this student got such mark. So here 100 plus 100 plus 100 and plus 100, so it will become 400. So whatever the total subject total will come, that total you have to write downside. Then next one is into 100 for getting percentage. For avoiding confusion I am using bracket. So this calculation will be done first. Okay, so you have to means total mark 143 divided by 400, that answer will come in point into 100, so we will get actual percent. So here 35.75, these are the percent value. So you can observe here the percentage is coming for each and every row. So this is the easiest way to calculate the percent. For that you have to use the formula like that. Here the total mark divided by total mark, means the total mark here means the actual mark whatever you got, and here total subject marks into 100. So this is the formula of getting percentage. So I hope friend you understood this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.